Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Block Bull right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now, as we all know, in the past 24 hours, Donald Trump has won the US elections, which is fantastic news for crypto holders in general. However, we have also got this updated information now over on the CME Group Fed Watch tool. We have got the FOMC meeting taking place in approximately 6 hours and 32 minutes. So it's looking as if that rates are going to be cut once more. There's a 99% probability that we will cut points by approximately 0.45475%. So almost half a percent there for the Fed meeting. That is the target rate probabilities for this particular outcome. So that'll be taking place, as mentioned, later on tonight here. We also have this sort of crypto briefing as well. So crypto briefing is reporting that the election results show that 247 supporters compared to the 113 opponents at press time is actually pro crypto candidates. So there's a lot more supporters, and the seats that are actually representing the actual presidents in each particular state are actually pro crypto. So this is absolutely remarkable news for crypto holders again in general, because we do expect some sort of positive price action moving forward. We did get some positive price action yesterday at the time of the US elections. Bitcoin is up and setting all-time highs, and we also have XRP here, which is it is lagging behind a little bit, but believe it or not, I believe they are saving the best to last, and that will be XRP. Now, just because Donald Trump has won the election does not mean he does come into presidency with immediate effect. His inauguration is due to commence on the 20th of January next year. Okay, so there is still sort of a transition coming into play, and we still have that possibility of, well, I believe it's pretty much a certainty at this point that Iran is gonna strike Israel. Whether or not Israel and the US make a preemptive strike on Iran to sort of mitigate Iran actually, firing their ballistic missiles, whatever sort of weaponry in their arsenal, in order to combat that in the sort of geopolitical landscape, if you will. Now, if we dive into the charts here, you can see, as always, guys, on the charts, we have the halving, and then in the red line, we do have the US elections now. So anytime after the US election is when we've seen XRP really run to the cheddar market. You can see here, back in March of 2017, that's when we ran up. So we was waiting, 3 or 4 months before XRP got going in this sort of super cycle. However, times are different, because the actual distance between the Bitcoin halving and the US elections was a lot narrower. So you're talking about 17 weeks from the halving to the US elections. This time around, if I actually jump ahead, if I actually miss this cycle here, you can see we're a lot further along the Bitcoin halving now. So rather than, we're actually 28 weeks after the Bitcoin halving. So we're about 11 weeks ahead of schedule, in my opinion, before XRP actually gets going. So some people may say, well, how's that possible? I feel like I've been waiting forever for XRP to take off. However, you've got to understand, everything happens in cycles. We will go up, we will go down, there will be corrective, we will get impulsive moves, we will break all-time highs. That is pretty much guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor. Again, these videos are just for entertainment purposes. However, I do believe I have the most accurate plan out there for the XRP community, and I've also got the XDC copy there. But if you guys are lacking a plan, then this is the standout plan, in my opinion, because this will tell you exactly when XRP will break out, and the interim targets as well, when we're looking to rotate profits. And then, ultimately you can look at taking partial profits, re-entering after like 50-60% retracement, for example. And then we can look at riding that third and final impulse later on in the super cycle, where I do expect there will be some serious gains. So it is important, if you've got more than $1,000 invested in XRP, I would recommend getting it. But if you're like just literally got $100-$200 invested, obviously, it's not really, a massive concern for you to have a strategy. You're probably just going to ride it up to double digits, I would imagine. Okay, however, XRP at the time, let's just go over to the candlesticks and we will zoom in a little bit further. So you can see 36 weeks after the Bitcoin halving is when I expect us to really get going. I would say, hazard a guess, it would be, like I said, the first week of January, which is what the 36 weeks is stipulating. So the 6th of January in mind, I did post a tweet about it yesterday. That'll take us 2 weeks before Donald Trump actually takes over the reins completely. Okay, so he comes in on the 20th, so 2 weeks prior to the 20th of January would mark the 6th of January. I believe XRP will then start running, in my opinion, and we will see a massive rally to the upside. That's not to say that XRP can't gain in the interim. We have looked at these sort of highs up here around that sort of $1.60 mark. And there is a strong case for XRP to get up to around these sort of weekly closes around that $2.77. But I believe XRP will remain suppressed up until after Christmas. I've mentioned this in other videos that XRP will whoever the market makers are, whoever's actually putting the volume into like the crypto community, especially with XRP, for example, they're not going to want families discussing, especially when family gatherings around Christmas period. They're not going to want families discussing XRP. They're going to want it hush hush. They might run other cryptos early movers, but I don't feel like they're going to get the same clout. For example, I have identified early movers like Dogecoin, Velo, Gala, which I'm in. I've got quite a heavy bag in Gala. There are other like Stronghold that's also built on Stellar Lumens as well. There are many others, guys, but they're just a handful that I've picked out, okay, which I believe do have a certain type of utility. Like I said, Velo, Stronghold, both built on Stellar. Gala is also a utility coin because I do believe it will sort of shape the way the metaverse will be. It's got that trifecta, so you're doing film, music, gaming. I feel like, content is king, especially with business and marketing now. So, that will replace, ultimately, I think it will replace Spotify and Netflix eventually in the long term, like a 5-10 year horizon. So I do believe Gala will run up massively. However, let's get back to XRP without getting carried away. Let's have a look. So I've not had a look. Obviously, I'm in Portugal at the minute. I'm still away, guys. So you can see I've not actually altered any of this TA, especially with the blue trend lines. And look where we have spiked to. So this is literally in the week of the US elections here. You can see where we're getting this close now. Absolutely beautiful. Pinpoint accuracy from the macro trend lines. Yes, we have had fake outs to the upside, but we've not managed to sustain an attack and an impulsive move to the upside. We always fall back in, whether or not we get a fake out to the downside, an impulse to the upside, it doesn't matter. We are literally, this magnetism is literally taking us into the apex, where again, 36 weeks take us to the first week of January before we get that move. Now, what I'm going to do is just measure from this sort of current week. We are coming to the end of the week now, guys. It's almost a weekend. What are we now? 7th of November. So let's just measure to, what I'm measuring to is this line here. So we're literally about 8 weeks away now from XRP doing the unthinkable and absolutely blowing the lid off this massive symmetrical triangle, as you can see, which has been playing out ever since the end of the previous bull market around January of 2018. So we've been waiting over 6 years. It'll be almost, well, by the time we see this through, it'll be, what will that be? Will that be 7 years come 2025? 7 years of ultimately suppression. So 7 years for XRP. So whoever's holding XRP, especially if you've held it from all the way back here from the previous cycle back in that 19 cycle when that come to an end, hey, you deserve it more than anybody, guys, and I do believe the wait will be worth the wait in the end. Again, I've got the plans over there for you guys that need it. Link below in the description if you need a copy of that plan. But ultimately, XRP will prevail. Okay, guys. Again, I'm going to leave it there with you guys. I will do a more in-depth video when I get back. I've only got an extra couple of days left. Short stay welcome. Obviously, we're out of season over in Portugal. We are in November, so wherever you go in the world, it is pretty cold unless you're going over to, I don't know, say Egypt, for example, which is still 30 degrees. But anyhow, guys, I'll leave it with you. If you need a plan, I'm over there on XRP plan. And I shall see you in the next video, guys. Hope that helps. I'll take it easy, guys. Blah, blah, over and out.